I'm going to attempt to see if these 10 shore excursion tips really make a difference for solo cruisers in Europe. As a solo traveler, cruising through Europe can be a dream come true. Exploring new ports, immersing yourself in different cultures, and enjoying the luxury of a cruise ship. But let's be real, it can also be daunting, especially when it comes to shore excursions. You might be worried about safety, feeling alone, or making the most of your time in each port. Solo travelers often face unique challenges on European cruise shore excursions. One of the biggest concerns is safety. Walking alone in unfamiliar areas, carrying luggage, or being in crowded tourist spots can be intimidating. Another challenge is feeling like you're missing out on experiences because you're traveling alone. You might worry that you'll be stuck eating dinner by yourself or not being able to explore with a group. And then there's the pressure to make the most of your time. With limited hours in each port, you want to see and do as much as possible. These anxieties can hold you back from truly enjoying your cruise experience. But with some preparation and insider knowledge, you can overcome these challenges and make the most of your European adventure. That's why I've put together my top 10 shore excursion tips for solo cruisers. First, research your ship's shore excursion offerings and plan ahead. It's essential to know what options are available and to book popular tours in advance. Second, consider joining a group tour to meet fellow travelers and make the most of your time. Third, always carry a money belt and keep your valuables secure. Fourth, download a ride-sharing app and familiarize yourself with local transportation options. Fifth, pack smart. Bring comfortable shoes, sunscreen, and a portable charger. Sixth, take advantage of onboard resources, such as your ship's travel agent or concierge. Seventh, learn a few key phrases in the local language. It'll go a long way in making connections with locals. Eighth, prioritize your safety by staying in well-lit areas and being aware of your surroundings. Ninth, make time for spontaneity. Leave some room in your itinerary for unexpected adventures. 10th, enjoy the moment and don't stress too much about making mistakes. My top 3 tips that I think really make a difference are researching your excursion options, prioritizing your safety, and being open to spontaneity. I recall one time when I was in Barcelona, and I decided to take a chance and explore the Gothic quarter on my own. It ended up being one of the highlights of my trip. I stumbled upon a local market, tried some delicious tapas, and even made some new friends. It was a great reminder that sometimes the best experiences come from taking a chance. In conclusion, with these 10 shore excursion tips, you'll be well equipped to handle the challenges of solo cruising in Europe and make the most of your adventure. Remember, it's all about being prepared, staying safe, and enjoying the moment. If you've got any solo cruising tips to share, please drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're interested in more travel content, be sure to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.